Hey, Kevin, my RX TX 300 sits on an easy dock in the salty bay. Anything I should do other than a wash salt away to stop my drive shaft from getting more rusty? Yeah, get it off the damn freaking, get it off the easy dock. Get it out of the water. I know Easy Dock doesn't have it in the water, but that salt, there's a reason cars parked 20 miles, 10 miles, 15 miles from the ocean rot out. You're sitting on top of the ocean. It's going to rot. You can polish your drive shaft and then go back with Scotch-Brite and manually repolish it and get all the oxidation off. But a floating dock on saltwater, you're just missing it with saltwater. It's death by 1,000 cuts instead of just a bolt to the head. You're killing that ski. You're killing so many components. The best thing you can do for that jet ski is to pull it off the water every time, get it on a trailer, get it home, spray it down, get the salt off, salt away the guts out of it, then run Dawn soap through the damn thing. Dawn soap everything. People are going to go, "You're crazy, Kevin. What are you doing?" Dawn soap the hell out of it. Salt away the hell out of it, then Dawn soap it. And then wash it down with some sort of car shampoo, some sort of car wash. And that way it's going to keep it from some modicum of protection. So I'm sorry, Sam. It's just a slow death. You're strangling that ski to death instead of shooting it in the head.
Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.